Do you know what superfoods can help with fatty liver? Fatty liver is a prevalent health concern affecting countless individuals globally. It's a condition where excess fat builds up in your liver. Now let's talk about superfoods. They're nutrient powerhouses that pack large doses of antioxidants, polyphenols, vitamins, and minerals. Eating them may reduce the risk of chronic disease and prolong life. They can also help combat fatty liver. In this video, we will explore 10 superfoods that can help improve liver health. First, let's dive into the top 5 superfoods that can help with fatty liver. At the top of our list is broccoli. This green powerhouse is rich in antioxidants and fiber, which can aid in detoxifying the body and improving liver health. You can steam it, stir-fry it, or even enjoy it raw in salads. Next up is spinach. Packed with an array of vitamins and minerals, spinach supports overall health and is particularly beneficial for the liver. It's versatile too. Toss it in your morning smoothie or use it as a base for your salads. In the number 3 spot, we have blueberries. These tiny fruits are bursting with antioxidants known as anthocyanins, which are believed to improve liver function. Enjoy them fresh or frozen in your morning cereal or as a snack. Coming in 4th is beetroot. Known for its potent detoxifying properties, beetroot can help to cleanse the liver and improve its function. It can be juiced, roasted, or added to salads and soups. Finally, we have walnuts. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, walnuts are great for supporting liver health. You can sprinkle them on your salads, add them to your baking, or simply enjoy a handful as a snack. These superfoods not only taste good but also provide essential nutrients for your liver. So, it's time to incorporate these health-boosting foods into your diet. Your liver will thank you. Let's continue our journey through superfoods with the remaining top 5. First up, we have avocados. These buttery fruits are packed with healthy fats and fiber that can help to lower bad cholesterol levels. This, in turn, aids in reducing fat accumulation in the liver. You can enjoy avocados in salads, smoothies, or even on their own. Next up is garlic. This pungent bulb helps the body to flush out toxins, which can alleviate the strain on your liver. Adding a little garlic to your meals not only boosts the flavor but also your liver health. The third superfood on our list is green tea. Known for its antioxidants, green tea can help to reduce fat storage in the liver and improve its function. So consider swapping your morning coffee for a refreshing cup of green tea. Our 4th superfood is turmeric. This vibrant spice is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can help to protect your liver from damage and even aid in its regeneration. Try adding a dash of turmeric to your soups, stews, or curries for a health boost. Last but not least, we have grapefruit. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, grapefruit can help to reduce inflammation and protect the liver. Enjoy it as a refreshing snack, or squeeze it into a juice for a liver-friendly drink. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can help you maintain a healthier liver. So, what did we learn today about superfoods and liver health? We've discovered that broccoli, spinach, blueberries, beetroot, walnuts, avocado, garlic, green tea, turmeric, along with grapefruit, are all potent allies in supporting a healthy liver. They offer a range of benefits from detoxification to inflammation reduction. But remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before making any dietary changes. Remember, a healthy diet is one of the best ways to support your liver health. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.